crew. I'm here with Serge.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So today he knows how to solve those Rubik's cubes. I customized mine because I'm savage, but he knows how to solve them. So I'm gonna mix it up right now, and he's gonna solve it. This better get more reviews than CC Devin Larius.
No one likes him. He's a nerd. He has no friends too. Also, I don't know his channel, but I know him. He's
Darius, yes, CC
Yeah.
Meme King. You should check him out.
If we get more than him, I'll be happy because he's cooler than CC Devin Larius.
Yes.
Yeah, very much cooler. No one likes CC Devin Larius.
As you can see, it is pretty messed up. As
Not
you
a
can
lot.
see. Not to tell, but shut up, Serge, I did my best. Alright, so yeah, this person over here will solve it.
Okay.
Gotta go fast!
That noise is very weird.
He likes that.
Stop it.
Touching. Like, yeah.
Lick what?
What? What?
You said lick.
No one said lick.
You said lick.
Change subject. Guys, look how good he's doing. He's got the magical fingers from practice. He likes to do practice. Look at that face. Concentration. He doesn't even have to look, guys. Look at this dude.
Nathan is the coolest kid ever.
He speaks the truth.
The truth.
Look at this.
And nothing but
He did it. Look at it. Guys. Let's take a second to appreciate. What do you have to say? Speak into the mic.
Okay. I have to thank all of my friends. Show him. That's it. I have no friends. Because he's the coolest kid ever.
I am the coolest
and
kid on earth.
Bye.
Bye. You heard it here first. Serge, the Rubik's Cube solver, has said I'm his only friend. Let's go to the rolling. Actually, that's the end of the video. Bye, cringy crew. Hi, cringy crew. Check me out, and yeah.
Never ever go to Devin Larius, but you can go to me,
CC Meme King. Yes.
not CC Devin Larius. That
Yes.
is a nerd. Okay. Bye bye.
So, bye guys.
Bye. Bye, Kunji.